In the grand gallery of nature's creations, some animals tower above the rest, while their secrets remain etched in time. Today, we explore the world of the elephant, a gentle giant whose strength and wisdom captivate us all. Picture a creature born on the vast plains of Africa or the forests of Asia, carrying the weight of history in its steps. The elephant's trunk is a marvel, part nose, part hand, part tool, with over 40,000 muscles for tasks like breathing, lifting, or showering. This quirky feature isn't just practical, it's a survival edge honed over millions of years. Imagine a single appendage that can uproot a tree or gently pluck a flower. How does that work? Here's where the elephant reveals its soul. It mourns its dead, revisiting bones with a tenderness that stuns scientists. Their legendary memory, spanning decades, lets them recognize friends, foes, and long-lost places. This titan bridges emotion and intellect, offering clues to nature's deepest mysteries. In the wild, elephants shine as social giants. Led by wise matriarchs, they form tight-knit families, using infrasound rumbles to talk across miles. This unity shows us how strength and empathy can coexist, turning a herd into a living testament of loyalty and love. But the elephant's tail has a heavy shadow. Poaching and habitat loss threaten their survival, cutting down numbers from millions to mere thousands. This struggle mirrors the plight of many exotic giants today. Can these memory keepers outlast humanity's footprint? Hope strides forward. Conservation efforts, anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration are fighting to save elephants, giving them a future to roam. This story teaches us that even the mightiest need guardians. In a world of loss, the elephant's trumpet is a call to protect nature's titans. The elephant's journey is a monument to nature's grandeur. From ancient savannas to today's screens, this gentle giant shows us that power, memory, and heart can define a species. In a fleeting world, embrace the enduring. There's always more to marvel at. If the elephant's wonders stirred your soul, subscribe to Animal Lives for more exotic animal adventures.